Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to stake a correct score on SportyBet. First thing I want you to do is actually come to the SportyBet website and find a game where you want to do this. So let's do this football match, for example. We'll come here and click on this one. And then all you need to do is come here, scroll down under all. You scroll down until you see this option right here, which will be correct score. I want you to click on this to get more options. And here you'll see all the different scores. So let's say 0-0, these are the scores, or if you want team 1 to have 1 goal, team 2 to have 0 goals, you can choose this one. Whichever one you want to pick, you can do that. Let's do right here 2-0, right? Team 1 is going to score 2, team 2 is going to score 0. And once you go ahead and select that, you'll see it as highlighted. Then you just come up here, and all you need to do is go ahead and enter your stake amount. You'll see the odds right here as well. I'll remove this one so only have the correct score being staked, and then you just go ahead and place your bet. That's all there is to it. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button. Subscribe to App Mentor.